delivery note as well as POS and sales invoice. Am I right? Am I right? No response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So do you have any doubts with any topics? Anyone have any doubts? No doubts? Evangeline, Chinmay. Chinmay, Monisha ilva alle?
No, ma'am. She didn't come yet, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, okay, anyone have any doubts? Evangeline, do you have any doubts with the topics which and all we have discussed in the last class?
Ma'am, can we create like a DMart bill template, ma'am? Like every product, every like that, can we create?
You can go ahead. You have to change the, like, you can put the, instead of text zone, you can make it as a DMart.
Okay. Every
So,
product and same.
not every products, no need of creating. If you created one company, that's more than enough. So in one company, we can create whatever. Like if you are a DMart supplier, means obviously you can go ahead with the creating a company as a DMart, and you can just create the point of sales. What and all the point of sales you want to do, you can go ahead with that, and automatically the company name will be displayed as a DMart. Okay. So as you have created company as TechZone Private Limited company, you have already have created. So POS, everything will in the name of, like in the top of the name. So instead of DMart, it will come as a TechZone Private Limited. So if you're working in the DMart means obviously you have to create a company as a DMart account, and you have to insert the data what and all it's required, and then you can go ahead with the POS. Understood?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So and anything else? Any doubts? Okay, today we'll discuss about the receipt as well as payment. Receipt note as well as the payment note. So what do you mean by receipts and what do you mean by payment? Payment andrenu, receipts andrenu. This is a basic question, guys. Since you guys are already commerce students, you'll be knowing this. You can respond to this. What do you mean by receipts and what do you mean by payment? Nothing? Don't know? Okay, before that, let me share my screen. Okay, can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can see in your question, record receipts and payments, all opening balance in sundry debtors and sundry creditors have to be received or paid on 1st April 2024. Record the same in tally. All the transactions are through ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank they have mentioned. And also they have said that from the opening balance, we have to take all the, based on the opening balance, we have to do the payment as well as sundry debtors as well as sundry creditors entry. Am I right? Hello? Are you all there? And why eventually you are not coming to offline?
Ma'am, I'm not
Are you
feeling
fine
well,
now?
ma'am. From tomorrow I will.
Okay, fine. So this is like a receipt note is nothing that which consists of incomes. It will be consist of income. So anyway, you'll be doing the supply. So after doing the supply, you will be getting the payment. So here you're going to receive the amount from the customers. So it's a income for you. So receipts consist of income and payment consists of expenses. Am I right? Expenses means we are paying for someone. So like if you purchase the raw materials, since you guys are already have purchased the raw materials from the vendors, so you have to make the payment. So usually we will be doing after the purchase order itself, we will be going to do the payment. But according to your case study, so we are teaching step by step. So we'll be learning now. Okay. So in the real scenario, how it will be means. So after the purchase or after purchase order creation, after purchase invoice, you are going to raise the purchase invoice. Then you are going to pay the payment from the any by using any ICICI bank or any banks you're going to use, and you're going to pay the amount. So that is what the procedure will be followed. But here in the case study, because if we teach immediately means you'll be confused with the things. So that's why we are teaching now. So but the thing, so you'll be learning as a like what and all you have received. So while there are obviously based on sundry data, sundry creditors only we have raised our orders. So based on that particularly we are going to do the payment. According to that we are going to do the payment. So let me show you that in the last sessions we had a purchase order. Okay, this is what your purchase order. So you are requested for 50 quantity as well as rate 36,000 per product. So here also you can see the same thing. So 50 products as well as 36 rate. So now what we have to do means based on this we have to raise the whether receipt note or payment note. Hmm? Whether receipt note or payment note. Hello, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಲ್ವೇನ್ರೋ?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether we have to raise purchase or sales.
Purchase.
But based on purchase, what you are going to raise now? Whether you're going to do the receipt or payment.
Receipt, ma'am.
Receipt.
If okay, payment, ma'am. Purchase payment.
Guys, please be here. Okay. So if you're purchasing means obviously we have to do the payment for the customers. Am I right? So if you're selling means it's an income for you. If you're purchasing means obviously it will be expenses for you. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what you're going to do? Based on your questions, now we are going to raise the purchase payment as well as receipts. So we are going to record the receipts as well as payment based on your all the opening balance. So based on your opening balance, so already they have given the opening balance. So here also you can see that. Okay. Yes. So based on your opening balance, now we are going to record in your books of accounts all the payments as well as all the receipts. Okay. So here you can see the vendors also. So vendors will be our vendors means who? Vendors means who?
Sundry creditor.
Who will be called it as the vendors? Sundry creditors. Sundry debtors means?
Creditors.
Huh? Sundry debtors means who and sundry creditors means who? Who will be known as the sundry debtors as well as sundry creditors? Yes, please do unmute yourself and respond. If you don't know, means please say me that, ma'am, we don't know. Please explain. I'll be going to explain your.
Ma'am, sundry creditors means suppliers.
Sundry creditors means suppliers. Sundry debtors means sundry debtors means
Receivers.
Customer.
Receivers. Very good. So sundry debtors means there will be the receivers. Sundry creditors means they will be the suppliers. Okay, got it? Don't be confused for yourself. Please make a note of each and every points. Okay. So here, based on your purchase means we are going to pay for the vendors. So based on the opening balance. So based on the opening balance, we are going to do the receipt as well as payment entries. Understood? Understood, guys? Are you all clear about the receipts as well as payment? What do you mean by receipts as well as what do you mean by payment account? If you did not answer me, means really I will be going to stop my classes. Please unmute yourself and respond. I'm asking you all the question whether you have understood or not.
Yes, ma'am.
What else? What do you understood?
Receipts and payment. Receipt means selling, ma'am. Payment means purchase.
Means
Receipt is
receipts
income.
means income. Yes.
Income.
Payment means it's the expenses for you.
Purchase. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Evangeline, did you understand? Evangeline, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me continue with the
Yes, ma'am.
transaction now. Okay, so you guys will be there in the tech zone company. Your company will be tech zone. Please keep in your mind your financial year will be 2024 and 25. Okay, and the date of transaction will be done in the first or second, or depends on the question. Okay, sometimes they will be saying that you have to do the payment transaction on 1st May, and sometimes you'll be doing 6th, 7th, 8th. It depends on you guys. But as of now, let us see the question. So which date they have mentioned. So let me open here. So you can see that we have to record all the transaction on which date?
1st April.
Yes, 1st April 2024, we have to record in the tally. All the transactions are through ICICI Bank. Okay, so now we have to do all the opening balance of sundry debtors as well as sundry creditors have to be received or paid. So here, based on your opening balance, we are going to record because so we have to tally our balance sheet. So that's why what we are going to do means based on your total amount. You can see this is a sundry creditors. Am I right? So sundry creditors. So here based on this we are going to record now. So let me open the thing. One sec, guys. Okay, fine. Let us go and complete with the receipt. So what do you mean by receipt? Already I have explained you all. Receipt considers all the incomes and payment considers all the expenses. Okay, so let us do now. So receipts. So who will become debtors and who will become creditors if you are paying means who will be the debtors as well as who is the creditors? Will be going to receive and will be going to pay. Hello? Journal entries. Just tell me the journal entries. If you're doing the payment means what will become debit as what will become credit. I think in the part I have explained you all the expenses will come under the. Guys, if you are silent means what I can understand that whether you guys are understanding or not. Please do response. You can unmute yourself and you can respond right. Or else I'll be going with what and all I know, just I'll explain and I'll leave. That's it. I won't be asking whether you understood or not.
Credit the giver, ma'am. Debit the receiver.
Yes. So we know the golden rules of accounts. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So since you are doing the receipt account, what will be debited and what will be credited? What will be debited and what will be credited? Analyze. So debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains.
ICICI bank account debtor,
Okay.
credit vendors, ma'am. Vendors.
Very good, very good. So now we are going to, because we are going to do the receipts, means it's a sales. Am I right? So we are going to say, we have sold the goods. Now we are going to receive the incomes. So debit will be all expenses and losses. Credit will be all incomes and gains. So here you'll be recording. Here they have mentioned the credit. So credit will be, which is your creditors. Here you can see that Technova solution. Am I right? So you'll be going to select your creditors, that is a Technova solutions. Am I right? So based on this, your current balance, we don't want the current balance. Let us take it as a opening balance amount. Just copy the opening balance amount. Okay. And you can input here. So just make it as an on account. You can go ahead with the, one second guys. You can go ahead with the new reference. Used earlier. Whether we have used. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let me explain this methods of adjustment. Okay, so if you are doing advance payment, if you are doing any advance payment enrollments, you have to go ahead with the advance. Against reference, it's nothing that. So, well, you'll be going to order, like just take it as example, you have ordered, and that will be considered as a new reference. Am I right? So, still here, you guys have worked on the new reference. Am I right? Because first time we are doing the transaction between the two parties, so we have done with the new reference. Against reference is nothing that if you are returning any goods, if you are returning any goods from the vendors or from the customer, if it is returning, means obviously it will be against, because we have to return that and we have to send the amount back and we have to record in our books of accounts. So it will be against for that. So in that particular time, we can go ahead with the, yes, Evangeline.
Ma'am, sundry datas, they are receiving trade receivables and Technova solutions.
Yes,
Hmm, I'm having.
trade receivables.
Yes, ma'am. Sundry
Hmm.
datas.
I didn't get you.
They are not a sundry creditors, right, ma'am? They are sundry debtors who are receiving.
Yeah,
Hmm.
receivables, trade receivables. So because we are selling, right?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
We are selling for whom?
Yeah,
Technova solution,
Technova
right?
solutions. Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay,
I'm recording in the receipt.
okay, ma'am. Okay,
So in here they have clearly mentioned that there are vendors. Trade payables means vendors. So we have to pay, right, for that.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Don't be confused, okay? So where were we actually? Yeah. So here, if it is any purchase return or a sales return, it's happening, means obviously you'll be going ahead with the against reference. So you can go ahead with the on account itself. So on account means if you are like transaction based on the one particular thing, means you can go ahead with that. So it's up to you. If you want, you can go ahead with the new reference also, or if you want, you can go ahead with the against reference also. It depends on. Okay, and you can mention the particular amount. So let me take it as a new reference itself. Okay. And creditors. Who will be the creditor? Debit. So that will be a ICICI bank. So I think in my bank account there is a zero balance, I guess. So It's showing only current balance 2,35,000. So let me. So since we are doing the all like a bank transaction, you'll be getting this. So don't enter anything here. Just leave that area, and you'll be recording this. Understood? The receipt entry. So here credit will be your customer and debit will be ICICI Bank. So do you have any doubts with the receipt entry? Anyone have any doubts with the receipt entry?
Ma'am, what about Technova Solutions? Yeah, sorry, TechZone Private Limited.
They are vendors.
Okay, ma'am.
Receipt will be considered as, I'm repeating the same thing. Receipt means it's nothing that income you're going to receive from the customer. So that we are going to record in the receipt account. Okay. So income you're receiving means it's a receipt. It's an income for us, right? So that's why we are going to record that amount in the receipt account. So Technova Solution is our company. So our company, Technova company is receiving a amount from the, what is that the name? Technova Solution. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Technova Solution will be the customer. So TechZone company will be going to receive the amount from the Technova Solution. So Technova Solution will be customer and we will be the vendor. So that's why we are going to record under the receipt account. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So opposite to that, so now we have a vendors also, HP India. So same thing you are going to do now. So payment entry. So you'll be coming here. You can see here the payment entry. Can you see that F5 payment entry? You can just click on that. So as a visual, so here you can see the changes. So when you're going to record the receipts automatically, the first will be the credit transaction you will be going to make. So here debit transaction will what will be the transaction? What will be the journal entry for payment? It will be a ulta, right? First, you are going to take which one? Debit. Who will be
ICICI.
the debit?
ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೇಳೋದು. Debit. Hello guys. In the receipt, what you have selected? Do you have forgotten that? Ulta means what? Debit means who will come now? If you are doing the payment means. So credit means here we have taken the Technova Solution. Am I right? If it is ulta means who will come here?
Technova Solutions.
Technova Solution will come. Huh? I'm telling for payment entry. Debit means what will come?
Technova Solutions.
Why Technova Solution will come? Who is the vendor here?
HP India.
Yes. So here HP India will be going to come debit and you're going to record the amount. How much the amount they have given according to your opening balance? 9,60,000. You're going to record that. So against reference. So automatically it will become. So because what we are doing now, we are paying them. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are paying now. So you'll be taking as a against reference. So because if you are receiving that means you'll be like you'll be getting on account. If you're paying means obviously you'll be paying from your head against them you are going to pay. So that's why you'll be taking as a against reference and you'll be entering. Understood? And credited means ICICI Bank. That's it. Understood? So I'll be getting a negative figure because in my account and there is no balance. So you'll be having a balance, guys. Don't worry. So you won't be getting any negative things. So did you all understand the payment and receipt, both the things? Chinmay, Evangeline,
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ್?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ
Just
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್
brief it,
ಮಾಡಿ.
ma'am, again. Okay, ma'am.
You want me to brief it again? So just you can see the payment entry. So here HP India will be the vendors. So they are going to supply for us. So they will, because we are making the payment for them. So expenses for us. So they will be debited. HP India will be going to debit it. And ICIC, for ICIC bank account, we are going to do the payment. So that is what the transaction for the payment. Okay. Understood? So same as this. So receipts, if it is comes for receipts, here you can see the changes. Credited will be the our customers. So customer will be, they are going to pay. So if they are recording in their books of accounts, means obviously it will be ulta for them. So since we are recording from the point of Texzone Private Limited, so we are recording, so it will be a ulta for us. So credited will NOVA Solution and debited means ICICI bank account. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So till here, everyone clear? So let us go for the next one, that is a purchase return as well as sales return. So we have one more word for this purchase return and sales return. Can you all tell me that? One more word for purchase return as well as sales return. Also known as purchase return, also known as
Purchase inward.
no,
Carriage inwards.
no. Okay, let me tell you all. So purchase return also known as debit note and sales return also known as credit note. Okay, so already you have gone through this, right? In your pack, you have learned the debit note as well as credit note. Do you all remember that? Am I right? No response. Okay, fine. So now we are going to record the purchase return as well as sales return. Purchase return is nothing that what and all you have returned, like from the customers, if there are any damages in the goods as well as any problems with the goods, or as well as anything is there. Means obviously in the real scenario also we'll be doing the same thing, right? If it is any damaged products as received, means obviously what you're going to do, you'll be going to return it back. So that is what a purchase return. Sales return means customer will be going to return for us, and that we are going to record in the sales return. Means credit note we are going to record. If a purchase return means it's a debit note, means you are going to return that particular product. Just take it as example. We have ordered HP laptops for 50. I think 50 quantity we have ordered from the HP India. But what happened means, so I have here in your case study they have given particularly two NOS, means two products as got damaged. So what we are going to do now, we are going to return that particular product for HP India. Texzone Private Limited will be going to return that particular product to HP India, and they will be going to get the amount back. Refund will be taken place. So that is what the structure will be followed. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all clear about the purchase note? Purchase return note? Okay. So next will be sales return. So sales return will be, it will be ulta. So you'll be returning from the, like customer will be going to return the goods for you for the Texzone Private Limited. So you can see that Technova Solution will be your customers, and they are going to return HP laptops to NOS for you. Means Texzone Private Limited, they are going to return back. So because the damage issues or anything is happened for particular products, means they will be going to return for you. So that is the thing. So that we are going to record it under the credit note. So now it's a debit note as well as credit note. So now let us learn how to do the debit note as well as a credit note. Purchase returns also known as debit note, and sales return also known as credit note. Understood? Did you all
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let us record in the books of tally. So let us go for Ocher. So if you did not find in the screen, means obviously what you have to do now?
Other vouchers.
Yes, very good. We have to go with the other vouchers. So can you all see that debit note as well as credit note?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So first, let us go with the debit note. You can just click on the debit note. So according to your case study, who is the party? Who is the party here?
HP vendor. HP
HP vendor.
India.
HP India will be the vendor. So next, so here you can just give the tracking number as a one, or just you can give the tracking number of your thing is your order number also. So HP India, let us go for the purchase order. You can just copy this purchase order number, or else if you want, you can just give the number as a one also, guys. It's up to you. You can just give that. Don't give anything. Just keep up. Current ledger account will be purchase. So here, what is the item they are returning? HP laptops. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to take the HP laptops. So here, tracking number, order number, you can mention the same. Due on 30 days. Okay, quantity how much? You're going to giving back 2.
Two.
Am I right? So 2. So per product by default it will take 36,000. So as per your case study, you already know that. So purchase per product how much? 36,000. So they are returning 2 products. Am I right? So now you're going to record that. End of list. So next what you're going to do? Input
CGST.
CGST and input
SG.
SGST. You're going to calculate that. No. And here you'll be making as a against reference. By default, did you get a order number here? Invoice number? Hello? Invoice number? Did you got that invoice number? So from this invoice, we are going to returning back. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can just select that invoice number. By default, the amount will be pop up here. So next, enter. And you can give the narration as, so being HP laptop was, we are returning back to whom we are returning for HP India for rupees 84,960, and you can give the order number also and enter, and you can save it. Understood? Debit note.
Yes, ma'am.
Chinmay, Harta Aitappa, did you understood, Chinmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same like that, we are going to do the credit note also. So you can just click on the credit note. So who will be the party here? Who will be the party?
Nova Solutions.
Yes. So Technova solution will be the party here. So we will be going back for the Technova solution. Party as a Technova solution. So here you can just give your order number, so which you have received already. So sales order number. So this is what the sales order number, right? You can just give the sales order number. Or else you can just give 1, 2 also, guys. It doesn't matter. So according to your case study, in which date we have to record? They didn't. They have mentioned clearly that 1/5/2024. Keep in your mind. So here I made a mistake. Once again, let me change the date. 1/5/2024. Can you all see by default everything will be pop up here? Sales. And what is the item they have given? Returning HP laptops. Yes, you can take the HP laptops. And you can just paste it to your order number. And due date will be 30 days.
30 days.
Yes. So what is the quantity they have given? How much the quantity you are returning?
2.
2.
2 into. Yes, you will be recording that. By default, the amount will come So if you want, you can cross verify with your order number, guys. The order you can cross verify. Where is that sales order? So can you all see that? 42,000. Did you all receive the same thing? 42,000.
Yes, ma'am.
And enter end of list. That's it. And here output CGST and output SGST.
SGST.
So next, just leave that area, make it as a no, okay? And here also against reference. So did you got the same invoice here? So you can just give the same invoice, number 1, and you can just do the against reference and you can do the payment. And narration, you can make it as a being Technova Solutions as returned HP laptops of 2 quantity for TechZone Private Limited for rupees. So 99,120, and you can put the order number also. Did you all got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all understand? And you're going to save that. So this is how you're going to do the debit note as well as credit note. Anyone have any doubts? So did you all clear about the receipt note as well as the payment note? Hello?
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
guys? Yes. Are you all clear about the purchase return as well as sales return?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Okay. Now I'll be giving a time for you all to prepare a one entry. Okay, one payment entry, one receipt entry, and one purchase return and one sales return. So you can complete only one transaction. Rest of the things you can do it later. So because to know that whether you guys are understood or not, and if you have any doubts, means you can ask with me so I can clear your doubts. Okay. Can you all do it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start doing, guys. I'll be giving time for you all to do. Hello guys, are you all done? Did you all completed at least one transaction in each?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have any doubts with anything? Chinmay? Nobody? Okay, can I wind up the session then?
Ma'am, it's
Yes, Chinmay.
in payment, ma'am.
Okay.
HP account data to ICICI Bank account creditor, right, ma'am?
Payment, whether there are your vendors?
Yes, ma'am. Purchase.
Hmm?
I purchase, ma'am.
Means they are vendor.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you. So payment means this will be your journal entry.
Okay.
XP India account data to ICICI Bank account. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And when if it is receipts means this will be your transaction. Take NOV solution.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. We have to entry every account, ma'am. Purchase, payment and receipts, ma'am.
Yes. Against reference.
Okay, ma'am.
Both the things you just use against reference. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just use it as a against reference because then you'll be getting that thing. So anyway, you'll be selecting this, right?
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
can just make it as a against reference and you just ICICI Bank account. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts? So do you have any
No.
doubts with the returns, debit note as well as credit note? Did you do that, Chinmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can continue further. So if you have any doubts, means you can reach out to me, or else with your respective center trainer you can ask, or else you can just go through the recordings. Is it fine for you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Chinmay. So I'll be wind up in the session. So take care and enjoy your day. See you all tomorrow with a new topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Bye bye. Take care.